up guys? I'm back. Today I'm going to be making some brownies because I just feel like it, honestly. We're going to be channeling our inner Gordon Ramsays, and since I'm a very bad baker and cook, I thought I'd bring some help. As you're wondering why I have such a big space in front of me, it's because my sister Leslie is here. Wow.
But they didn't even know.
They didn't know. Okay, we have to like bend down because yeah, we're in like a twerking position, but it's okay. That's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be making brownies, and I'm gonna take you along.
So first, we need to grab the ingredients, which
Yeah.
you have, right?
I do have the ingredients. What we're gonna be needing to make the easy, outrageously fudgy brownies recipe is
How much is the same need of cocoa powder?
3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons, 80 grams.
Oh, so this is the chocolate because, yeah, you probably don't know what she said.
Next, salt. Salt. We need the salt to get the salt. Vanilla extract. I got hair. And clean underwear. 2 large cold eggs. All-purpose flour. Next, we need. Oh, no, that's it.
Oh, okay, something to stir in.
We need a stirring thing.
Something to stir with.
Oh, you're supposed to say I'm loving it, but it's fine. I don't care.
Whisk. Look at that. They're in the middle of a filming. Están grabando. You're going live. What are you on Facebook?
I have 1,000 people watching. You have some nice hands. You should consider being a hand model.
Girl.
You're for your birthday.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. You know, like I didn't really know that you would like say things to me.
It's what your alarm said. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. You are.
Okay.
Do I put it around the pot like this way? Around the pan? Yeah?
You want. Whoa, you just like did a little dab there. I like that.
No, it's close to my
I like that. Do it again.
No.
Do it again. Do it again.
Okay, there.
Oh my god. Tie me up, daddy.
Hold up. What? Tell me more. I have an idea. We ain't trying to get accused of nudity. Don't take it off. Come on.
Oh my god, what are you doing to her?
Hey, do you want to get
Demonetized? No, I don't. Cover her belly button. Cover her belly button. Cover her too! Leslie!
Oh my god, it's too much. Okay, it's fine. Like that.
Cover hers.
Come here, Rosie. Trying to demonetize. This is gonna become something else and not a cooking video no more. We become so off track so easily. They're little girls that are distracting.
Dude, you put hair inside her tape. Okay.
Okay,
Cover
bye.
their belly buttons too. That's.
Your mom's gonna be like, what the hell? So what do we do next?
Oh yeah. The instructions.
Okra.
Add enough water. You need a saucepan. You need a saucepan. You need to sauce it up.
Combine butter, sugar, cocoa powder, and the salt in a medium heat safe bowl. Oh, we need to do that.
Is that a medium heat safe bowl?
Yes.
That is not correct.
1 to 2 inches deep of water. Go. 1 to 2 inches deep of water. So it says to add 1 to 2 inches deep of water in a medium saucepan. So we did that already. We did that. We added 1 to 2 inches deep of water. And then it says heat water until barely simmer. Combine the sugar, cocoa powder, and the salt in a medium heat safe bowl. And rest the bowl over the simmering water.
This is not
Oh, so we're gonna have to be able to do this.
This is large.
Yeah, we need a different.
There's a
some
green
there.
one. Oh, never mind. That's way too small.
Yeah, there's some in there. There's a lot in there. Is there any?
Not really.
I think we need a bigger this.
Use that one. It's fine.
But how? We need to rest it over the thing.
That's cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what we have to
This
do.
is our progress.
And we're gonna boil the water until it's
They don't care.
What?
10 tablespoons. Go.
1, 2, 3. That's like 4 and 5. 4, 5, 6,
10.
7.
That noise. Let's get the noise in.
You got that noise.
This is some quality ASMR for you guys.
Okay, let's just do this.
Oh, that was a good one. I think my nail's bleeding.
Okay, there we're done.
Like, since my I still need fills,
Okay, so
but
we got
I
that.
want them to fall off, so I'm just not gonna
We got
get
that.
fills. Oh, that looks very nice. Then we need some sugar. You have the sugar? We have some sugar.
Fill the sugar.
1.5 cups of sugar.
Okay, what do we have for cup? Let's do this.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Do it while it's like sitting down, because that's how you measure it. Or not, it's okay.
1.5.
1 1/4. Oh, my freaking thing hurts.
Okay. 1 1/4 cups of sugar.
Oh, we didn't I didn't record it. It's okay.
It's okay. We just put it in the pan.
Put it in the pot. Mix it up.
Oof.
That's our process.
Okay, so 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. I'm gonna need way more than that.
Look.
Just scared.
Why?
We have a whole package. Just kidding. I'm not scared. Why would I be scared?
Because what if you just die right now?
Okay, then I'd be scared.
Are you afraid of death?
No.
Me neither.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I feel like I shouldn't be afraid because everyone's gonna die either way. It's not like it's a disease.
I'm gonna die when God wants me to die.
You right? Bite that package. Bite it nice. Rip it with your teeth.
Stop.
Smart.
Oops, your phone.
Oh my god. Well, you want to sniff it? So, yeah. Oh. Let's do a dance intermission. Dance with me. Or just get in front of me. That's fine. I don't care. I'm not. It's fine. Okay.
Oops, sorry, I shook you. Get it? The camera is shook.
Okay. Yes. Put her in. Don't block her. Don't block it. No shit. Looking nice. Looking good and fresh. It says stir occasionally until the butter has melted and the mixture is quite warm. Oh, we're supposed to stir with a wooden spoon.
That makes more sense. Where's it?
Go for it.
Yeah, it's looking ugly, but it's okay. Stir right, sister. This is why you don't do it. Just kidding.
Stir then. What do we do next?
It
That's gotta
says
sit on your hand. That'd be a little weird.
So this is what we're gonna do after it warms up. Stir in vanilla with a wooden spoon or spatula. Then add eggs one at a time. Stir vigorously. When the batter looks thick, blend it, add the flour and stir until fully incorporated. Then beat the wooden spoon or spatula for 40 to 50 strokes.
So this is how the brownies came out. They're a little watery. They're kind of clear. Extract.
We have to be very, very cautious with this.
Try with the cap. Do with the cap. Cap.
I'm so scared. Stir right away, okay? I think that's good. Stir.
Oh, she's thick.
She's strong.
No, she's not thick. She's a little. Actually, I'm the best at freaking cracking eggs.
Okay.
Don't underestimate me.
Okay.
Don't do it. My eggs are my best friend.
Okay, go.
These balls.
Oh, here, I'll hold this.
These balls are my best.
Okay. And sister?
Yes?
I'm scared of it.
Don't be scared of the willow.
Is it just stirring one egg at a time, huh?
Oh, I think there's a little eggshell in there. That's okay. It'll be a little crunchy.
Okay, I think that's good. And then another egg.
Me or you? Okay, go.
Imagine I let all the eggshells in there.
Wait, can I see? Okay, let's go.
Beat it, man! That hurt.
Wow. So we already did the other egg. We mixed it. We put the flour in, and now we're just mixing the flour.
And it's getting really thick.
It's like cake mix.
It is.
It's not supposed to be.
I think I'm making cake.
Mom, you look beautiful. Don't worry.
Crap.
Okay.
I have bronchitis.
Yeah.
Not like somebody I know.
Sorry, I have bronchitis. You're mean. Stop fooling me.
I'm bullying you. Whatever. I probably have pneumonia.
I think we're done, no?
Is this for? Yeah, maybe. Okay, yeah.
Oh no, her cheesies.
I'm gonna sit down.
Hey, don't be mean.
Ew, what is this? It's hard.
What is this? An eggshell? No, it's gonna be crunchy. Let it.
No.
No, the crunchier the better, sis. Just go for it. I don't. Wait.
Just kidding.
Yes, queen, guys.
Stop.
Looks like Maxie's diarrhea.
Oh my gosh, stop.
Ew! What? Don't put that in your mouth. Throw that away. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
The brownies are going in the oven and we'll see the result in a little bit.
It's just 20 to 25 minutes. So we'll see you in 20 to 25. Bye. Bye.
Should I push them this way?
Can I push it with my foot?
Dude, you need to burn.
Maybe I want to.
Are you dumb?
Yes.
I'm trying to protect you.
Okay, bye. Peace out. So we've been informed that the brownies are
A complete fail.
complete fail. So we're just gonna take them out and hope for the best. Go for it, sis. Don't burn yourself. Or do, that'd be kind of fun. It's so mushy.
It is?
Yeah, I went like this. See?
I think we should put it in for more.
Let's just eat them. We took the brownies out of the oven.
And still fail.
Major fail. It's very chewy, like gum. And I don't think that's right. It looks so nasty.
It's so bad. But our sisters want chocolate. Like, they just want chocolate, period. So let's serve them soon.
Yeah.
But
Put them in for maybe like 45 minutes, and it only says to put it in for 20 to 25.
it's just not cooking.
They're not cooking. Like, let me show.
Should we just make them balls? Because,
The cake pops?
yeah. We should
Look
have.
at that. It's not supposed to.
Gonna make them balls. Rosie, more. Here, more.
Yay.
Okay, guys, try it.
Hey, mine. No. Mine. I like it. No, mine.
Okay.
Try it.
Yours, try it.
Come here. Try it. It's chocolate.
Thoughts?
I like it.
Okay, Rosie, will you eat it, right, Rosie? You like it? Okay. It's chocolate.
Nasty. Now it's our turn to try it.
I'm cutting us a piece.
Are you sure that's good to eat?
We're gonna eat it right now.
Just chewy.
So bad. To Robert?
To Robert.
Niña, no. Tiren esto, please. This thing is raw. This is guacamole. Tírenos, por favor. Le están dando a las niñas que me van a envenenar. Me van a dar con la pinche diarrea. Tíralo. Ya va a la basura. Ya se lo deje echar. Ya se lo deje echar.
I still swallowed it.
You guys want to see what we took like almost like 5 hours on? You guys want to see? It took about 5 hours to do that. That's what we took 5 hours for. You guys want the same? Follow the recipe.
Leslie!
Wait, did it get your fingers? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I thought it scared you.
Well, it's raw, apparently. Which doesn't make any sense because we cooked this for 45 minutes. But whatever.
Yummy, right?
Yummy.
Lesson here today, folks.
Careful.
Don't spend your time on baking because it's worthless. If you're trying to be Gordon Ramsay, too bad. You can't.
Kitchen.
My Instagram's down below.
No. Oh my god, okay. Well, I'll see you next week.
I want to buy bus.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Peace!